Hey guys, Goat Mom here, and we're back for another episode of TKO. It's been a really long time since we played this. I'm so excited. I can't guarantee what you're going to see here, so content warning, I'm just going to say it now because you just never know with this game. Alright, we have everyone, and we're going in. I guess I just have to press fight. God, it's been so long. I'm a little scared of what my drawing's going to look like. I already gave you
Welcome to TKO. I am the tournament master. Can I interest you in a free personality test? No? Alright, on with the game then. I brought you to T-Shirt Island to engage in deadly T-shirt combat. Each of you has the heart of a true warrior, which you'll find in a jar under your seat. Eat it now,
still don't like that you
or
can't
save it
skip
for
it.
later.
I know.
I know.
The training grounds.
Every epic tale starts somewhere. Yours begins here, at the training grounds.
Oh boy.
You will use your device to draw three
It's been
drawings.
so long.
Draw something cute, something gross, something funny.
Something
Honestly,
gross.
I don't
Something
care
gross.
what
Oh,
you
you
draw.
can bet
If you
on it.
need help, hit the suggestion button.
Oh,
Begin your
this is not
first
for
drawing.
kids.
This is
Now.
such an OG thing for us to do.
Boy, the dark reader filter on my.
I was
Ow!
gonna say,
This is gonna be so bad.
you're telling me.
Oh shit! I can only undo one. Oh no, I can undo multiple times.
That's what I'm doing.
Am I supposed to put more than one drawing or just one? I don't even
I'm so
know.
used to pressing Control
Right
Z.
now,
that it
there
doesn't
will
work.
be more than one.
But it's just one for now. Okay.
Yeah.
It's been so long.
Oh, my
my
doorbell's
God.
from.
That's fun. It's just me coming over to give you a hug. That's all. I brought cookies.
Yay! I brought tea.
It's
And
a
kitty
housewarming
mugs.
party.
Yeah. 38 seconds. My God, how much time did we
About
put on
38
these?
seconds.
Yeah.
I
What?
thought we still had like a minute left. or
Oh, I'm not
something.
even done.
It's only the first picture, guys. 3.
Hurry
Oh,
up.
God.
Go
Everybody
Karma,
away.
go Karma!
I
Yay!
only did one.
Excellent. This time, show me something
You only
different.
do
Remember
one.
to use the suggestion button.
Well,
if
now
you
we're
need
gonna
an
draw like
idea.
Now
Oh,
we're doing
two
two.
more.
Create
See?
your second drawings.
See, we upped our seconds. We used to only have like
Roaring.
60. We have 120.
Roarings.
Roarings. I have a reoccurring theme.
I think we all do.
it's always one of 3 things, isn't it? I
Mm-hmm.
won't say what those 3 things are. Not yet. I'll leave that
Not until we see it.
as a surprise. I'm so happy right now.
Oh,
I
no.
miss this game. I miss this game so
We
much.
have 40 seconds.
Yeah, you still have 40
No.
seconds. It's a long 40 seconds.
This feels like a short 40 seconds to me.
30 seconds.
Exactly. Oh God. Oh no.
Just
Wait.
because you all are artists, you try and get all
No.
detailed. It's just doodles, man. Just doodle and go.
Oh,
Doodle your noodle and go.
That's easy for you to say.
Yeah, I'm a quick doodler.
I
I doodle my noodle quickly.
At time of
Oh, no!
preparation, finish quickly.
8, 7, 6. Push your buttons.
God.
Nice.
Really get nuts with this
I
last
wanted
one.
to add
Alright.
more, but I didn't have enough
One
time.
more. It's gonna take some practice to draw quickly, apparently.
Oh.
I'm rusty, man. I'm rusty.
Right? Seconds.
I'm dead.
No pressure.
For your last
Oh,
exercise,
boy.
you will write as many
Sorry
slogans
in
or
advance about
phrases
that.
as you can. Something short and snappy like a t-shirt. And don't let hubris
God, I have to
consume
actually
you.
type
Use a
instead of
suggestion
voice
if you need
text.
one.
It's gonna be bad, bro.
I think that's the most I've ever done, just because I can type
Enough
faster.
training.
Oh,
Direct
no.
your attention to
Oh God!
Select one drawing
I wish
and
you guys
one
could see
slogan
what I
to create
could
the
see.
Oh my
perfect
God.
t-shirt combination.
I
And
can tell
do
who
mean
wrote some of
perfect.
Oh.
these.
Spanked!
What the f does that even say?
I can't even tell what these are.
Oh my God.
Hey now.
I'm gonna have to cut that out, but oh my God! I know that's. I know that's you.
You know, I was gonna go with the more classic, obvious quote for this image, but I'm going a different route
Yeah,
because
I have
I
to
need to
choose
keep
this
everyone
one.
on their toes. It can't be too predictable.
The tournament
yeah, you
begins.
know.
Oh God.
No.
Oh,
Sorry in advance.
Stupid.
Stupid. I love that. Spank my balls. How do I even know? Oh my god. How did I don't even
Yeah, you
remember?
just click on the
Oh, we
quote.
on our phone, right?
Oh my God.
Better spank my balls.
We're starting off strong.
That's so hard.
Oh my God.
No pun
Well,
intended. I really like this
Some
slogan.
people got creative.
Oh.
Hell yeah,
Okay.
baby! Spank my
Wait,
balls for
I
the
didn't
win.
make that. That was. Oh, okay. It was karma.
It's because you voted for it.
Yeah. Okay.
Everyone forgot how to play this game for a minute.
So badly. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
That picture.
Oh man. He meets his match.
Who even did the shirt that says "Spank my balls"? I didn't catch
I
it.
did the quote.
It was me.
Was she okay? Okay. Yeah, I figured you did the quote.
Oh.
I can pick your quotes out pretty easily.
I can pick
Oh,
up-
I didn't
No.
make the spank my balls quote. No, that's
No,
just my
but you made the
shirt.
shirt, right?
Yes,
that's what I mean,
yes.
the shirt. Oh, it's a tie.
No.
Oh.
Well, it was, but. Or,
Oh, I think I won because I had won the previous one.
Hmm.
A new
No,
So
it
it
our audience.
carried over. Ooh, wow. Okay. You might have to.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I already did my intro and gave
Guys,
the warning.
for those who are wondering, it says floppy disk. You might be too young to know what that is.
It's
From back in the day.
Floppy disk drive.
Yeah, it's supposed
Yes.
to say floppy disk drive. I don't know what happened. I don't know who wrote that.
Autocorrect, that's what happened.
No.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, spank my balls.
Bye.
Didn't make it.
Winner.
Yes.
Oh,
We're
I need a
starting
breather. Let's take a
strong.
training break.
Oh
Yeah.
no, now we have to draw another thing,
Use
don't we?
your
Oh,
devices to enter
Jesus.
one new
Yeah, there were
drawing
so
as
many that didn't
new
get
slogans
used.
as you wish. Make me proud. Go!
Oh. I'll make you proud, Daddy.
I'm all out of ideas, man.
Oh no. I shouldn't be trusted.
I've already failed. I'm
I-
sorry, Father.
No, I did too, man. Don't worry.
I don't even know what to
Oh
draw.
God, how much
anymore.
time do I have? Do I have enough to color this in?
77 seconds.
12
Only
seconds.
seconds
Oh God,
remain.
oh God, oh God.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Horrible.
Oh God.
That was like last minute.
Oh, I didn't enter.
The second gauntlet looms, and the hairy paws of Kismet
Oh,
shuffle
no.
drawings and slogans.
Oh.
Begin your new
Oh.
shirt design now.
What is that?
I feel like I got exclusively mom's drawings in all three of mine.
I feel like I got
Yeah, I pulled that
nabbles.
with. Or Caramel Bunny, I guess. Probably the same with the quotes.
Oh, I don't know who I got. I think I got Mad Wolf's everything, but I'm not sure whose art this is. This could be any of
I
the three
can't
of you.
pick.
It's hard.
Oh, why does it
Oh no.
Mine
Yeah,
had
my
butt
t-shirt game is a little weak here. I was dealt a interesting
Good feeling
hand.
about this batch? Gauntlet
cheeks.
2.
Boy. I'm so scared. Oh no.
Oh my,
Versus
oh my God, no! Oh, no. Damn, son, you get no bitches. Toot. Oh my god.
My house is a little toasty. Oh
I'm
boy.
just. Oh my god.
I have to go for that.
Oh my
Glitch
god.
trap
I'm just gonna
ass.
pity vote because. Oh man. All of us are voting, but
I
it's
know.
broken.
It's
It's like still. That's fine. See, pity vote. I'll just.
Yes. Okay, who drew
I'll shove
that?
my head up my ass.
So-
I drew it.
I knew it.
Versus
I was gonna say that's a matter of drawing, I can tell.
Oh, look at the shadow. That's so good. Wow.
Oh no!
Wow.
It's my little baby. Look at him.
My little baby.
Wow.
Is
We
that,
need like Jeopardy music inserted here every time we vote because 2 hours
is that a
later.
NightCove quote or a Karma Bunny?
Neither of these
The
are
damn sun.
my
I mean,
quotes.
s-
No,
quote,
it's not.
slogan. Okay, it's Karma
Bunny.
Bunny. That's what I thought.
I did the
Glad
one
my
thing
instincts were
right.
right. Glad I know you all so well.
versus
Oh no.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Oh
Oh my god.
my god. Oh my god. His face really says it all.
He's so little. I don't know, man.
GLitChTraP.
He has no
Yeah,
arm.
I'm pretty sure I got all of Karma Bunny's art on mine.
I feel like it. Oh, oh, sussy baka.
Damn. Sussy Baka at the very end.
Oh no. It's the final round after
Winners.
this, right?
Yeah, yep.
Oh no.
Sure is.
I think this is just voting on the
God.
pre-existing now.
shots from the previous rounds remain.
Yeah.
The tournament ends here.
I'm scared. I don't want to relive it.
I don't either, but here we go.
We're going in.
God.
It's not for the faint of heart.
Wait.
Versus
Oh, just the expression with the words
Oh
on the
my
balls.
God.
Just chef's kiss.
He seems too excited about that.
He really does.
Like,
His
ah!
ears are down even.
Spank my balls!
He's like bracing
I dare
for it.
I know, I was gonna say he's like thrusting forward. He's like, right here, bitch! I dare you!
Wow. Oh, see, this is why the warning at the beginning. I told you guys.
The flame behind him kind of looks like a long finger.
No.
I was. I thought that.
Try not to look at things too intensely, but his stance and then his ears kind of say it all. Oh, this is a rough one. Alright, alright.
God.
Oh no.
That's a tough call, bro.
Wow. Balls and ass. This is a great
I
episode.
told you one of 3 things every
Oh
time.
my God.
We never change.
Kind of looks like a weird funnel or
That's
like
what I
broccoli is
thought.
coming out of his ass.
It's
I
a
was gonna say,
funnel.
when I was drawing it, it kind of looked like kale or
Yes.
broccoli.
Yeah.
I thought
He's
of a
just
funnel,
farting
too.
salad.
So-
It's just
It made him real gassy. Oh, come on. Yes!
Damn.
Yes! Thank you, audience. Yes.
So sad.
Woo! Heck yeah. Okay, now what? Oh no. Oh no! I don't even know.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. They're both.
the other.
Mm.
Oh dear.
You can tell they're my drawings too, because it's the same color shirt.
Yeah. Oh no. That's okay. I think that one's mine too. Yes! It is! Yay! I already forgot. I'm so traumatized.
We have a champion. As tournament playing that was
Wow.
not there. Did anyone tape that?
Knock no, it's your balls.
It's supposed to be not
Knox no.
Knock
not
no.
now.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no.
What a great episode.
Best writer. Nice.
Rip that chica never gonna
Best
face it.
artist.
Oh, I saw your Chica. I saw her.
Oh no.
Goat Mom's tournament win
And I
was just
saw your
one
frog.
in a long series of exciting adventures. Like the time Goat Mom rode a dinosaur, the time Goat Mom went to Mars, and the time Goat Mom met the Harlem Globetrotters. Honestly, winning the tournament was the least interesting thing Goat Mom ever did. Oh well. Most ignored. Woo!
Wow.
Prolific, the Weasel. 16 total drawings and slogans.
I'm so prolific.
Wow.